What does it actually mean to reverse a set of plans? It's a question I get all the time. Simply put, you are taking a floor plan and flipping it over. Imagine you drew a house on a piece of tracing paper. If you look at it normally, the garage might be on the left. But if you flip that paper over and look at it from the back, everything is now a mirror image. The garage is on the right, the front door has swapped sides, but the layout remains identical. That is a reverse. Why do builders do this? It's all about variety. If you're building a development with 200 houses, you don't want them all to look like carbon copies. To keep the neighborhood from looking repetitive, architects use a few tricks to make the same house look different from the street. First, they flip the plan. This immediately changes the rhythm of the houses on the block. Second, they swap materials. One house gets siding, the next gets stucco. Third, they change the roof line. You might see a gable roof on one and a hip roof on the reversed version. By changing the window sizes, swapping the paint colors, or moving the garage door, you can take the exact same floor plan and make it look like a completely different home. So, a reverse floor plan isn't a new design, it's just a clever way to give a neighborhood some character without reinventing the wheel.
And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.